I wonder what Shelly would order from us today.
Go check, Gino.
Alrighty-o, I'll go check. Oh, hello, Shelly. What would you like today? Gino, I would like something sweet, please. Okay, Shelly, I'll see what we can rustle up for you. Alright, chop chop. Ooh, Paka. Shelly says she would like something sweet to eat. I wonder what to make. Maybe let's look in Paka's recipe book.
Yes, let's talk about recipe book.
Ooh la la.
Yo, Parker, it's time to cook. What will you make in your recipe book? Will you chop or will you bake? It's time to see what you will make. Today, Parker and Gino will be making superhero cakes. Yay! Here are the ingredients that Parker and Gino will need.
Gino, yes, we're making superhero cakes.
Voila! We are making the superhero cakes. Paka, you need to go to the storeroom to get all the ingredients.
Okay. Ingredients in there. I've got sugar, gotcha, egg, gotcha, icing, gotcha, chocolate, gotcha. Got all the ingredients.
But Paka, are you sure we have all the ingredients?
Yes.
Paka, I can see an item missing. Boys and girls, can you find the missing item?
Hey! What's missing, guys?
Boys and girls, Parker and Gino need your help to find the missing ingredients. Good job, guys!
That is correct. Flour is the missing ingredient.
Yay!
Flour, flour, flour. Paka, you need to go to the supermarket. Get your cape and go.
Yay!
Go, Paka.
Need to go to shops.
Okay.
Superhero power! Wee, 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 wee. Oh yeah!
Yes!
3 for wide.
Awesome!
Need to get a missing ingredients. Let's go. I need to find the missing ingredients. So frozen flour.
Okay.
We have 30 seconds. Let's go. Quick, we need to find it. I think it's this way. I think we're close. It's over here, let's go. Yeah, I found the flower.
Yeah!
Let's get magic and go. Superhero power. Wee, 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 wee.
Yes, now we have all the ingredients, Paka. Let's get baking.
What do we do first, Gino?
Put the flour in.
Okay.
Ooh la la. The flour, the flour, the flour.
What that?
Put the sugar in, Paka. Mamma mia.
Yum, yum, yummy. What that?
Let's put the butter.
Butter.
Chop a chop.
It's squishy. What that?
The vanilla extract, Paka. Oh, vanilla essence.
Where is it?
It's the brown baking powder.
Now we need to mix it.
Voila! Mix, mix, a mix.
Oh no, it hurt my hand.
Oh, Paka, you need the whisk. Oh la la, whisk, whisk, whisk.
Oh yeah.
The splat, the splat. Mamma mia, delicioso.
Oh wow, it's messy. It's all mixed. Oh no, I missed something.
Oh no, Paka, what have you forgot to put in?
The egg.
Crack the egg.
Let's crack it open. Oh yeah. Now let's mix it. Mix. Let's get chocolate chips in.
Let's taste the mixture.
Yum, delicioso. Ooh la la.
What's the color, Paka?
It's yellow. This is blue, like Spider-Man.
Well done, Paka.
Green
The color green.
and orange. Orange.
Orange.
It's the big one.
Ooh, splat. Scrape the bowl, Paka. Ooh, la la. Delicioso. What do we need to do now?
We need to put them in the oven.
Let's bake them.
Oh yeah. Okay, somebody.
Voila!
Now let's decorate them. Roll it.
Roll.
Sticky.
Use your muscles, Paka.
Hey man.
Ooh, the Iron Man. Put them into shapes, Paka. Put it on the cake. Mamma mia.
Let's put water on.
Oh, Paka, you need this. Dabba dabba dab.
What next? Let's put hook on.
Hulk smash.
We'll lick the hook. Hook, move.
You are very strong, Paka.
Oh yes, Gino. Here, okay, somebody.
What must we do now, boys and girls?
Take this to Sunny.
Yes, I will take them to the chalet.
Oh, Gino, go.
Oh, here's Gino with my cake.
Yeah, Dad. Stop, squat. Dry. Push. Back. That's like the Sally's nearly finished.
Oh la la! I can't wait to see what we will get out of the mystery machine. Shelly, hit that button. Let's press the button.
Oh yeah, it's the Angie's car.
Oh la la! We got an Avengers Thor car.
Yes, we got 4. All on the remote control car.
Awesome!
To watch Paka unbox the Thor car, then watch his toy review video. Ciao for now, boys and girls.
Yes!
See you next time.
Bye, guys.